Tree removal Nambour. Sunshine Coast Tree Lopping Noosa specializes in tree removal, tree care, and stump grinding services in Nambour. Our team expertly handles the removal of dead or dangerous trees, ensuring property safety. We provide comprehensive tree care to maintain the aesthetics and safety of your property, including trimming and pruning to manage overgrowth. Stump grinding and removal services eliminate unsightly stumps and potential hazards, using advanced equipment for efficient results. Our certified arborists offer expert consultations, diagnosing tree diseases and providing tailored advice to ensure tree health and longevity. With a focus on safety and professionalism, we are the trusted choice for all tree services in Nambour.